What's up, everybody? Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about my experience with Topcashback because I am a reseller, right? And when you go to use Topcashback, you get this message when you try and use Walmart. Walmart reserves the right to revoke all member transactions that are deemed to be used for resale purposes, commercial use, or high volume orders. This message stops people from using cashback, which is absurd to me. Like, if you aren't using cashback, you really should be, because look at this. Okay, I have received, not earned, and like I have received $5,366.58 from Topcashback for my Walmart purchases that were all for resale and commercial use. So I'm not saying that this is going to work forever, but I am saying that in my particular situation, they honor my transactions even though they know that they're for resale. And so let me get a little bit more into this. When I first started using Topcashback, I was having issues with tracking, right? So I sent them a ticket about it. And I was like, hey, yada yada, I'm having some issues with I order 5 to 10 items per day, and Topcashback isn't catching all of them. Is there a way for it to fix this? And then they were like, all right. Would you mind confirming for me why you are making so many transactions with this retailer? We don't have anything against you making so many transactions, but it can sometimes help to clear this up with our members. And at that moment, I was like, oh crap. Do I lie? Do I make something up? And I followed my gut, and I do what I always do with this kind of stuff. And I was just honest. And I talk about that I sell things on eBay from Walmart, yada yada. And so I said, I run an eBay store and sell items from Walmart. So all of the orders are from my eBay store. I've started using Firefox instead of Chrome. Yada, that doesn't matter. And then they responded, we appreciate you sharing that with us. I ran this past our quality team, and this should not be a problem. They have asked if you would mind sharing a URL link to your eBay page. Once we have this, we should be able to progress. So I shared my eBay page, and then I got a message saying that, thanks for confirming this information for us. I am pleased to say that I've been able to find and link a few transactions to your account. So they found some missing transactions. And from this point on, I didn't really have any more problems with Topcashback missing my transactions. So I don't know if there's like a verification process, but I did send them the URL of my eBay store at the very beginning. So Topcashback themselves have known the entire time that I'm a reseller, okay? And let's look a little bit more at this message that you receive when you try and use Walmart at Topcashback. So Walmart reserves the right to revoke all member transactions that are deemed to be used for resale purposes, commercial use, or high volume orders. Okay, this may be scary to you if you're a dropshipper, but the most important couple words here is reserves the right. That means that Walmart is just covering their butt. They are giving themselves the option to just say, hey, we don't want to do this anymore. They are not saying, hey, you can't do this. This isn't allowed. They are saying, we have the ability to say no to you if we want to. It's literally just Walmart covering their butt. If you look in their terms of use, their whole terms of use is that same situation, just repeated for pretty much every scenario that can happen. So on one hand, the Walmart terms of use does say Walmart reserves the right to revoke or to cancel your orders if they are deemed to be used for resale. But Walmart also reserves the right to cancel your orders even if they're not reserved for resale. It literally just means that Walmart is saying, hey, we can tell you to screw off. We can say no. That's all that Walmart's doing. They're not saying, hey, we are blatantly against this. They're just giving themselves the kind of legal right to be able to just terminate any agreement they have with you or any kind of thing that's going on with them, right? So I just want to show you a little bit about this. I have used Topcashback, and this is the amount that I've gotten deposited into my PayPal account. This isn't like, oh, I've just built it up and it's pending, but I haven't actually gotten the money. I've received all of this money. So even if Topcashback starts rejecting me now, it was worth ignoring that message and not letting that message scare me, earn me $5,000. So it's definitely worth it. And I don't always use Topcashback. Like right now, Topcashback's current rate for Walmart is only 3%. I usually use whatever website I find has like 4 or 5%. So right now, I think I'm using Giving Assistant, right? Giving Assistant. I'm loading a video and listening to music, so the internet's going to take forever. But my point's that, like, don't use one specific cashback website all the time. You got to spread your cashback out, all right? But I just wanted to do this video to show you that I'm a reseller. I use cashback, and so far it's been working for me, all right? If you haven't registered for Topcashback and you want to help me out, check out my affiliate link, which is in the description. And otherwise, have a great day. Ciao.